Prostate health is a serious concern these days. Research has shown that 1 in 7 men will be diagnosed with a prostate-related health condition sometime in their life. The odds are even higher if it runs in your family. I've developed Prostrex to encourage a healthy prostate, regardless of your age. Weak urine flow, dribbling urine, and urinating often at night are all common signs of prostate-related concerns. Your prostate is shaped like a donut with the urethra passing through it. A prostate that becomes enlarged will squeeze the urethra, preventing normal urination. The herb saw palmetto is one of the primary ingredients in Prostrex. Native Americans have used it as a tonic for centuries to remedy urinary and reproductive disorders in men. If you're concerned about your health, always talk to a naturopathic or healthcare practitioner. Studies also show that taking a 30-minute walk and staying active on your feet each day can support the health of your prostate as well. To supplement the health of your prostate, buy a bottle of Prostrex at www.globalhealingcenter.com.